The DelOro Pacific Club was founded in 1987 and operates the oldest and largest G-scale modular layout in the United States, and their modular design has become the standard for many other modular clubs that have formed around the country. When fully assembled, their professional display measures roughly 120 feet by 60 feet with over 1,200 feet of LGB track on 2 main lines and the yard. The club is typically invited to participate in upwards of 6 hobby shows annually, generally in the Southern California area. Because of the popularity of their displays, many hobby show visitors come to the shows just to observe the layout in operation. The club has been awarded many Best of Show awards and has been featured on countless television news programs including CNN and NBC. While most of the modules are owned by the club, most of the natural-looking scenery, the structures, the engines, and the rolling stocks are owned by the individual members. Many of these items have been weathered, giving the trains and buildings and automobiles an authentic look. So let's sit back and take a few moments to get a close-up look at the DelOro Pacific large-scale modular railroader setup at the recent Big Train Show in Ontario, California. If you would like more information about the DelOro Pacific Group, you can visit their website at www.deloropacific.com. That's www.deloropacific.com. They have additional information, photographs, as well as a schedule where you can come and see them at a local show near you.